Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an innovative solution that will change the way you organize your kitchen. The YouCopia StoraBag Drawer Food Bags Dispenser. If you're tired of messy drawers and struggling to find the right size bag for your food storage needs, this product might just be the best gallon bag organizer for your drawer. The YouCopia StoraBag Dispenser features a smart, 3-slot design specifically crafted to accommodate standard-sized plastic food bags, including gallon, quart, sandwich, and snack bags. Each compartment is spacious enough to ensure you can easily slide in and remove your bags without hassle. One of the standout features is its easy loading top lid. You simply remove the lid, fill the compartments with your preferred bags, and replace it, just like that. No more fumbling with cluttered boxes taking up precious space in your kitchen. Another fantastic addition to this dispenser is the set of 24 removable labels. This makes it incredibly easy to identify which size bag you need at a glance, speeding up your food prep and keeping you organized. You can label each compartment with ease, ensuring that you always reach for the right size when you need it. Flexibility is key when it comes to storage solutions, and the YouCopia StoraBag offers just that. You can either lay it flat in a drawer or stand it upright in a pantry or cabinet, depending on your kitchen's layout and your personal preference. This means you can utilize your kitchen space efficiently, no matter how big or small it is. Made from high-quality, BPA-free plastic, this organizer is not only durable but also easy to clean. Simply wash it by hand with lukewarm water and mild soap. Just remember, it's not dishwasher safe, so keep that in mind during cleanup. In summary, the YouCopia StoraBag Drawer Food Bags Dispenser is a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their kitchen organization. With its innovative design, easy loading mechanism, and flexibility in storage options, it stands out as one of the best gallon bag organizers on the market. Say goodbye to the chaos of messy drawers and hello to a more organized, efficient kitchen. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and kitchen hacks. Until next time, keep your kitchen organized and your meals delicious.